What's going on, guys? It's Jake from Crazy Ace here, and today we're gonna do 40 Pro Packs, basically. We're doing 300k, and let me show you my team real quick, because it's changed a lot. So, basically, to sum up why I have a lot better team, I pulled $1 million out of a large quick sell. So, yeah. I sold some of my players, but got, like, awareness boosting players, so, like, the League versus League, that Game Changer, and yeah. Alright, so let's get right into it. And by the way, Cannon is here.
What's up, guys?
Alright, let's go. Alright. So we'll stop at when I'm down to 29k. Well, that sucked. Probably just gonna reveal all most of the time. Let me go quick. Boom. Fire packs. Boom. Ooh. Oh, wait, never mind. That's not good. I thought it was good at first. And boom. Nice. Bang! Alright, I'm done. This video's over. No, I'm just playing. I'm hoping for probably a minimum of 2 elites. Hopefully we can get more than that, though. Alright, let's see. And bang. Bang, bang, bang. Ooh! There we go. Okay. Alright. That's pretty good. He only goes for like 20k, but that's pretty good. Alright, finally. And nose pack. Oh, okay. That was disappointing.
Those packs suck.
Weenus pack.
You're flipping all the cards.
I know, I didn't mean to. Alright. This pro pack's gonna be money. I can feel it.
Money.
Money down the drain.
That's really what it is.
Oh, come on, come on. Nose pack.
You suck.
Dude, these packs are straight fire. Got 200k left or so. Alright. Bang. Okay, that sucked. And bang. Can we get one more elite? Just one. We still have like 190k. And I just want one elite, man. One elite.
You got one.
One more. Gosh. You ruined it. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. That was fire. These pro packs are hot.
I can tell.
Ooh! Yo! That's so good! Oh, shoot! That's so good! That's gonna be like our bundle topper. That guarantees an elite signature, and it could be like amazing. Probably gonna be like an 85 overall bum, but it guarantees an elite. There we go. Fire. I already got 150k left. About 20 packs. And bang! Oh wait, I'm so stupid. Okay.
Maybe if you stop being so annoying, the game will probably like you.
Alright. I'm so done with this, man. So technically we got 3 elites, because there's a guaranteed elite. But can we get more? Is that really too much to ask for? Ooh! Cameron Hayward. Went to Peachy Ridge. And a Steelers player. Gonna do that set even though I already did it.
Get him again. Can you do that?
No.
Oh, you sell him. Sell the code. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh, dude, these packs are hot. Alright, Cannon, you're gonna open this one. Okay, that sucks.
Okay, I saw.
You're trash. Why are you so bad at this?
You gotta let me have another chance.
Okay.
I got this. We are going to reveal all.
You're really no. You don't get another
No,
chance.
I have to press the 7. Okay, I have to press the button. Watch you get elites. I like an elite. You're so bad at touching the screen.
I know. I really am. Alright, speed this up. Got about 70k left, I think. Around there. And bang, 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 bang. Dude, I swear these packs are fire. Alright, I can't see the screen. Wait. Bang. I'm gonna continue. I don't know what I got, only y'all do. Alright. Bang. Come on, just one more elite. Got like 4 or 5 more packs. Okay, not too bad. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go, there we go. Offensive guard too, so he's worth some coins. Alright, about 3 more packs. Alright. Kind of hyped for that signature pack. Ooh. And bang. Okay. Alright, that's it. Alright. Let's do this signature pack. Come on. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's claim this. See if we can get a really good signature, maybe. Alright. Hey, okay. Oh, shoot, I did not know you get... Oh my, let's go! Dude, a punter! Yes! Oh my god, that last pack was fire. 3 elites. And a Marcel Reese who might actually go for some coins. Dude, let's go. Alright, so... Oh yeah, let's see what I got. What was that pool? Okay, so it wasn't good. Alright, so little pack rundown. Out of 300k of packs, which actually it wasn't that bad because we got a punter and who probably goes for a lot. I've actually never even seen the card, but we got Britton Colquitt, I think, Ted Ginn Jr., Evan Mathis, DeMarco Murray, and then the signature Matt Forte, and then a bunch of stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.